Huh? Rick Ross's funny advertisements. Part 1. Malik version. Pass me the sauce. Here you go, y'all. This is Rick Ross. It's funny, it's action. Don't laugh at me, cause I'ma make you have a reaction. Here we go, y'all. Playing charades under my chest, eating cereals under my breast. I'm Ricky Ross. I am the best. This not a song. This is my chest, huh? I'm burning Gucci, burning Tucci. It's Rick Ross in this Gucci, and you can't find my Gucci Rick. Ricky Ross in this mug. My last name start with a stove in this dog. Oh, I know I chop at Ross. And I'm always the boss. Tiki is so ugly. This part 1. Man, did I forget to chew my bubble gum? This video only gonna be 120, so I'm about to cut it off in 3, 2, 1. Bye, guys.